हेलो एवरीवन। यार हमने एक दो वीडियोस से काफ़ी ज़्यादा इन्फॉर्मेटिव चीज़ों के बारे में बात कर ली थी, सो आई थॉट लेट्स टॉक अबाउट समथिंग फन अबाउट एप्पल। एंड व्हेन यू थिंक अबाउट एप्पल, द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट कम्स इनटू योर माइंड is the iPhone.
These are not three separate devices. This is one device. And we are calling it iPhone.
So let's get into it. 29 June 2007, history was made as iPhone, first generation पहला iPhone was launched. And can you guys believe कि 16 GB storage थी बस उस time. Okay, इतना डेटा भी नहीं होता हमारे पास, but still just 16 GB, and it had this beautiful silver back with curved edges. July 11th 2008 saw the release of the iPhone 3G. I mean ज़्यादा difference नहीं था पहले वाले से, but App Store was included for the first time and 3G network was there, 3G connectivity. And you guys must be thinking, ये दिमाग में question आया होगा पहले भी, that why Apple skipped iPhone 2. So basically that time it was all about 3G, like everyone was talking about 3G network, 3G connectivity. So Apple thought let's skip 2 and let's just launch iPhone 3G. June 19th 2009, Apple introduced iPhone 3GS. So it had a better camera than the previous version. 3 megapixel camera था उसमें. It was a lot faster, 256 MB RAM था, and storage was around 32 GB. Storage was also increased. June 24th 2010 saw the release of iPhone 4. ये पहला iPhone था to have a front-facing camera, and well, little did Apple know that selfies will take over the world. It was faster than the last one with around 512 MB RAM. It was also the first iPhone with high resolution retina screen, and camera भी 5 megapixel था उस time. 5 months later in October 2011, iPhone 4S was introduced. So there was a huge difference from the previous versions. Like camera went from 5 megapixel to like 8 megapixel, and Apple also introduced 64 GB storage option. And pehli baar, you guys must be knowing, Siri was introduced. On September 21st in 2012, iPhone 5 was released, and Apple sold around 500 million units in the first week. And the camera remained the same, but then memory was boosted, like up to around 1 GB RAM आ गया था उसमें, and screen was also bigger, 4-inch display आ गया था 5 में. 5C and 5S, they were introduced together. So 5C was basically वो colorful and cheaper version of iPhone 5, कि किसी को अगर budget में अपने phone चाहिए, and with like different colors, a lot of options were there. And iPhone 5S was the first phone to have the Touch ID. iPhone 6 and iPhone 6 Plus were released in 2014. So display got like bigger and Retina became HD, high definition. And storage भी इसमें around 128 GB का storage आ गया था. The 6 Plus was the larger version of the 6. मतलब $100 and $100 expensive था वो, just the size का difference था. In 2015 came the iPhone 6S and 6S Plus. It changed everything. I mean, it looked the same, but then internally काफ़ी ज़्यादा changes आ गए थे. Camera took a huge leap. 8 से 12 megapixel पहुँच गया था सीधा, and RAM was doubled from 1 GB to 2 GB. It became very fast. And iPhone 6 में bending issues आए थे, so Apple ने उसको ठीक करा. Apple gave the iPhone 6s 7000 series aluminium, so उसमें फिर वो problem नहीं आई. And for the first time 3D Touch was also introduced. iPhone SE, so it was released in 2016. It was basically a smaller and cheaper version of iPhone 6s, and budget centric, मतलब काफ़ी cheap था. In the same year, iPhone 7 was released, and Apple ने headphone jack हटाया उस time. And for the उसी time आपके wireless earpods launch हुए थे पहली बार with the iPhone 7, and it was water resistant, and front camera में काफ़ी improvement थी, and storage भी अब 256 GB तक बढ़ चुका था. Then along with iPhone 7, iPhone 7 Plus was introduced. It had a dual camera for the first time, and photo and video quality is improved just because of the camera. And it also became fast, like 3 GB RAM आ गया था उसमें, and plus है तो like size was also bigger than the 7. Then 2017 iPhone 8 came, ज़्यादा चेंजेस नहीं थे 7 से, बट देन इट हैड फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम वायरलेस चार्जिंग आ गया था जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ द ग्लास बैक. तो अब वायरलेस, अब वो पैड पे यू कुड चार्ज योर फोन, वायरलेस चार्जिंग उसमें थी. And with iPhone 8, again iPhone 8 Plus was introduced with the increase in size, and due to the size around $100 price उसका ज़्यादा था than the iPhone 8. iPhone X or the iPhone 10, you can call it like anything, was released in 2017. तो home button remove कर दिया था and to make the display larger, and for the first time Face ID आया था उसमें, you could unlock your phone using the Face ID. iPhone XR that was released in 2018 and बस उसका size थोड़ा सा बड़ा था, that's it, that was the only difference. At the same time the iPhone XS or the 10s was released. It was slightly faster than the 10R, उसमें 4GB RAM था and storage भी around 512GB तक बढ़ चुका था तब तक. 10s के साथ there was another one, 10s Max, just the size it was bigger, that's it. Apple का ये आदत रही है that they bring in a bigger version for every series. In 2019 iPhone 11 की series was launched, and iPhone 11 इसका budget model था इस series का, 11 series का. So this was the first budget model जिसमें दो cameras थे back में. Pro and Pro Max featured TDL display, and इन दोनों में बस Pro and Pro Max में third camera was also there. So that's the major difference. यही 2-3 चीज़ें थी. In April 2020 iPhone SE second generation was released. Again ये पुराने SE की तरह was a budget centric phone. तो इसमें Apple के high end model की जो phones थे उसके सारे features, काफ़ी सारे features थे. It also had the A13 Bionic chip जो आपके iPhone 11 में था. Then the latest iPhone, the iPhone 12 series was launched in October 2020, and उसमें 4 phones थे. So the iPhone 12 and the 12 mini were like the budget oriented iPhones in this series, but they were still like very very powerful. They had the A14 Bionic chip जो 12 Pro and Pro Max में भी था. So Pro and Pro Max में they focus on the camera system काफ़ी ज़्यादा. So they came equipped with the third camera, and they offered their superior low light shooting for top-notch images. So main focus was on the camera, 12 Pro and Pro Max में. That's pretty much it for the video. If you guys liked it, please give a like, please subscribe to our channel, and हम iPhone 13 के लिए बिल्कुल वेट कर रहे हैं, इस साल आने वाला iPhone 13. So we'll be waiting for it, and उसका रिव्यू भी आएगा. And please comment down below कि आपका favorite iPhone कौन सा है, and if you want a review for a particular iPhone or anything, please just comment down below. Share our channel, and thanks for all the support, and we'll be back with another video. Thank you guys. Cheers.